Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is what will be replacing the Crown Vic. And the Crown Vic is not going anywhere. I'm just going to give it a break. Got a couple things I need to handle that the Crown Vic can't get done, and therefore I'm going to leave it parked for a little while. But still going to be making plenty of videos on the Crown Vic. I know this channel has grown because of the Crown Vic, so it's definitely not going anywhere. And I do want to add other cars to the channel to keep it interesting. So for now, like I said, we're going to leave the Crown Vic parked for a moment. And we're going to be making a few videos and doing a couple things with the other vehicle that I have. But we will still be making videos with the Crown Vic. The other Crown Vic right there. Okay, so what will I be using instead of the Crown Vic? And that is this 2018 F250. It is a diesel, 6.7 liter power stroke. Nice big chrome grille. Sits up off the ground pretty high. It is a 4x4 long wheelbase, and I'll be doing a lot of videos with this truck, so you guys get to know this truck. Key to it. Even though it is a 2018, it does not have the push to start. This is basically a truck built for work. Let's go ahead and start it up. I guess you can count this as a cold start because the temperature is still cold. Like I said, I'll definitely be making some more videos with this. Still making videos with the Crown Vic and any other vehicles that I come across. If you have any comments, any videos you might want to see with this truck or the Crown Vic, leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Other than that, until next time, I'm out of here.